Arch FX presents Hardstyle tips and tricks.
Hey guys, this is Arch FX tips and tricks. In this episode I will show you how I layer my hardstyle kicks. First I will take one kick from my Hardstyle Sound Banks. You can find this link in the description. So first let's find some kick. Let's find another kick. By the way, remember what kicks should be in same key. At the moment here is phase, but there is one very good free plugin for that. It's a free form phase. And also don't forget to use scoping plugin. And here you just simply draw anything you want and you will hear difference. That's basically it. How you can layer your kicks.